Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video into your Twitter. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Twitter application, formerly known as Twitter. After opening the application, just simply select the video that you want to embed. After selecting the video that you want to embed, just simply click on these three dots in the top right. From there, you will get the Share Video option. Click on that option. Then, you will get the option to Post Video. Click on that option. Then, just simply write down your text here and click to post. Then, your video on Twitter will successfully be embedded. In order to check, just simply click on your profile icon in the top right. From there, select the profile. As you can see here, I have successfully embedded the video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.